Hey YouTube, what's up? So as you can tell by the title, so we're doing an iPhone Pro unboxing video. So, and for the people that don't know who I am Kenson. Welcome to my channel.
21 minutes until I gotta go, so I told that girl I'm gonna slaughter it.
So I got the phone right here. This is actually the iPhone 11 Pro, midnight green. So we're gonna see, and I also got the case. So let's jump into the video. I don't know how this is gonna work out. So this is it right here. It's actually smaller than I was expecting. Cause I don't really like a big phone. I was thinking about getting the Pro Max, but I don't really like a big phone. So this is the phone right here. So we're gonna unwrap it. Let's see. So just get closer. So right here is it. Here we're gonna unbox it and see how it looks. So before we get into it, this is the best feeling ever. This is the best feeling ever. Oh my gosh, it is so nice. Oh my gosh, it is actually smaller. This is so nice. The color is, oh my god. So you know the best part, let's see, getting an iPhone is taking the little sticker off. But I'm like kind of mad because they don't have the back one, because they usually have like the one that goes like from the front end to the back, but they only have the front one, which is, it's okay, but I like, you know what I'm saying? Like when you go in and take the whole thing off, but it's only the front. So that's cool. That's okay. So let's go ahead and take that off. Oh, let's see that noise. Oh, that is so sexy. That is nice. So in the box, it comes with the regular headphones basically. I won't use that because I have the AirPods. And it comes with the fasting charger, I guess, because this is, I think it's 18 watts, I guess, because the other one is like 5. This one is like 18, so it's fast charging. So 30 minutes. I mean, I heard 30 minutes, so it should be full, I guess. I don't know, but I don't really know anything about iPhone, so I guess. So yeah, so let's turn it on and see. It's pretty small. So let's get into the case. So I got the case from Amazon. I ordered it yesterday, and it's a clear case because I don't really like huge case. It's like case with colors and stuff, so I just ordered a little smaller case. Keep recording. So that's kind of the case. Turn it on. I was supposed to get a screen protector with it. I guess they didn't come with it because this is a screen protector. There you go. So this is a clear case. It's pretty small, smaller than I was expecting, because I should go with the Pro Max. This is it in the case. And if you want I'll leave the link below so you can order the case if you actually like the case. It's pretty hard actually. It's really good. It's not those soft case. So it looks nice with the case. What else is in there? So there is a screen protector actually in there. So that's the screen protector. I'll put that on later. And I think that is it for the video, kind of. So I will do let me know if I should, like, comment down below if I should do how to get media box or show box, movie box, all that on the iPhone Pro, because I know how to get them. So let me know. Comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video and comment what you think. Is it worth it?